For this craft, you will need something to cover your workspace, a couple toilet paper rolls, aluminum paper, or a few old bags, some paint, a paintbrush, a glue stick, and some recycled things to add details to your rocket ship. Perfect. Are you ready to start? The first thing we need to do is cover our workspace so it doesn't get dirty. Now we are going to get one of the tissue paper rolls, the paint, and a paintbrush. And we're going to paint the whole toilet paper roll. Perfect! Now we are going to set the toilet paper aside to dry. Don't worry if you don't have paint at home. This is what you can do to decorate your rocket ship. I'm going to take my tissue paper roll and my sheet of aluminum foil. Then I'm going to roll my tissue paper roll with it, just like that. Then push the edges in. And you have a cool silver rocket. The first thing we're going to do to decorate our rocket is cut some shapes out of the paper bags. To make the top of the rocket ship, we will use the blue rectangle and some glue. We will put some glue on the inside, right here, and we will make a cone. Like this. We will cut the excess like this. Perfect. I will use my aluminum foil silver rocket as an example. With some glue, attach the top to the rocket ship. Using glue, add the rest of the details to your rocket ship. My silver rocket ship is finished and ready to shoot into space. After making my silver rocket, I also decorated my painted rocket with some aluminum foil details. But my favorite one is this recycled bottle rocket with some bottle cap details. Now it's your turn at home to make some recycled rockets. I want to see what you can make with recycled items at home. So take a picture and send it to us. Thank you!